Welcome friends, I am Angel of Shakti Athana, and this time I'm going to uh, help you all in purifying and activating your solar plexus. So let's start our video. First of all, I would like to show you the location of this plexus. So this is the location, solar plexus. So one more thing I want to add that whenever we perform any healing activation, activating or any purification or purifying job in a particular area, we need to always keep it in our minds that it is very essential to treat the matter or treat the issue or treat the blockage or anything to all its extents. Like if there is a problem in the solar plexus area, it is uh, not adequate to treat only in that area. Like solar plexus, this plexus is strongly connected to the same sister contemporary chakra, Manipur chakra, and spleen chakra. So it is very important that we not only treat the matter in our physical body, but also in our astral body also, or also in a non-physical body also. This is very important because this is not who we are. There is something beyond we can see. So it is very important that at the same time we treat this physical body chakras also, and at the same time we treat the out of body or non-physical or astral body or energy body uh, plexuses also. That is why I'm starting this video series to tell you guys that please mind that this body and this chakra, sorry, this plexuses are not in a physical body. This is in a astral body. Okay, so this is the location you can see, and that's why these days I'm combining all these chakras, plexuses together, all together. Like I heal people, I purify their problem, I remove their blockage in quantum level also, and in parallel multidimensional level also. That is to say, non-physical and physical level. I treat their problem or your problem in that areas. Which is visible, I do that also. Which is not visible, I do my healings, purifications in that area also. So now we'll discuss what is the benefit of activating or purifying this chakra. Location, definitely the epigastric cavity above belly button near. Effects relates to our emotions in nerve and abdomen organs. Um, like after purification, the process of emotions and emotional issues will be resolved to certain extent, but you have to do it like in all third levels after purification also. Only purification is also not enough. So first level, after pure activating first level DNA activation of this solar plexus, what will happen? It will regulate the energy exchange between the solar plexus and the outside through body channels. Helps to chi to circulate. Definitely chi means the energy. It will help to circulate to the proper area. Purify the water in the body. Activate 9-meter radiant ball in front of us that opens people in the radius. That is very good. Energy ball or energy layer of 9-meter radiant ball will be activated. That is your aura. Your aura will be expanded to 9 meters. Second level, after activation, what happens? So after second level activation, this activation removes internal emotional cysts of astral body. That is very good. Sometimes we hold many pain. Actually, they are old blocks, old issues, mental issues, which we cannot resolve. So they got formed like negative crystals or negative tumor, like energy tumor or energy crystal or energy cyst. So that all that will be, not all, because third level activation is there. So maximum of that block, old blocks, issues will be resolved, and energy cyst will be resolved from your astral body, and it will neutralizes the negative memories related to the belly. If you have had surgeries, if you have had uh, baby issues during pregnancy time, so if you have any trauma like post traumatic stress disorder uh, in connection to your belly part, it will remove all that memories, negative memories. That is good. And the radiance of the plexus reaches from 9 meters to 13 meter. The aura level, it will be expanded from 9 meters to 13 meter in the after the second level activation. So now we'll see what will happen after the third level activation of the solar plexus. Plexus. Sorry, I utter again and again chakra, 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 chakra. It's not chakra, it's plexus. Chakra is in our physical body, plexus are in the astral body. So that is the difference. So after the third level activation, the plexus radiates at 20 meter. The plexus itself will radiate an energy field, and it will be expanded from 13 meter to 20 meter in the third level activation. And it will recharge the whole body in solar energy. Solar energy, everyone knows the sun energy. So it will like, see, if we talk about the spleen or the Manipura chakra, it absorbs the sun energy. Manipur, only one, I think, yeah, only one area chakra which directly absorbs solar energy. So this solar plexus is strongly and very closely connected with Manipura chakra, because it's like a reflection. The reflection of the astral reflection of the Manipura chakra is the solar plexus. The physical chakra reflection of the same solar plexus is the Manipura or spleen chakra. So this is same like reflections. One thing is there in the mirror and the other thing is in the uh, life. So what happens after third level activation? It will absorb more solar energy. It will absorb a good amount of solar energy, and then in real life manifestations and real life situations, it will manifest the solar energy in your life, and you can actually use that energy. It will be like you are getting the sufficient fuel to live your life in your physical body also, physical level also, and removes parasites from the personality body. If you accumulated, if you have accumulated any kind of parasite or parasitical behavior in your personality body, or anything negative, then it will get removed. So now we'll go towards purification codes and activation codes. I'm not gonna repeat same things again, because I have done, I think, 11 or 12 videos already, so you already know everything what to do. So purification of the solar plexus code. Repeat after me. Shai Hun, Shai Hun, Shai Hun. Before repeating this code, you have to take 3 breaths from the universe. And after repeating with me 3 times, also you have to take 3 breaths. So let's start. Pause, pause. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Inhale, pause, exhale, pause. Please do it slow. I'm just helping you. This is okay. So now you will pause this video and you will enter into a meditative state. You can either listen to any music or you can avoid music. It's your wish, but always remember that you should be like in a place where fresh oxygen is there available, and same time you have to put off your shoes and just place your feet on the floor. It is very important to do that. And if you haven't drink enough water, please have water before doing that meditation and before this code also. Okay, so please pause this video. We'll see you, I'll see you in the first level activation. Congratulations, your solar plexus chakra is already sorry, not chakra, solar plexus has been purified. I might utter the word chakra 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 again by mistake. Please forgive me, because we tend to use this word chakra, so this time also it get tangled. So activation of the solar plexus first level, the code is Ryu, Ryu, Ryu. Please take 3 breaths from the universe. Inhale, pause, exhale. Inhale, pause, exhale. Inhale, pause, exhale. Stop this video. I mean, pause this video for 5 minutes. Go to a meditative state. Congratulations, first level activation is done for the solar plexus chakra. Now, the second level activation code for solar plexus. I again uttered chakra. I'm so sorry. The second level activation code for solar plexus is Vrayatso, Vrayatso, Vrayatso. Take 3 breaths from the universe. Inhale, pause, exhale. Inhale, pause, exhale. Inhale, pause, exhale. Pause this video. Go into a meditative state with or without music, barefoot, and in fresh oxygen. Congratulations, second level solar plexus activation, DNA activation done. All the codes have entered to your DNA, to your cellular level. And now the activation of the solar plexus third level code is Pacinto, Pacinto, Pacinto. Actually, it's Cinto, but I think if you have some problem in pronouncing Cinto, you can tell it like, you can utter it like Pacinto. It's okay. Take 3 breaths from the universe. Inhale, pause. Exhale, pause. I'm doing it a bit quicker. Okay, but do it slower than me. One more. Please pause this video and meditate for 5 minutes. We'll see after that. So congratulations. I hope that you have been honest for yourselves, and you have done meditations for 5 minutes each. As I can see, as you can see that there is one purification level that is 5 minutes, and 3 activation level. So there will be like 4 sessions of meditation, that is equal to 4 into 5 minutes, 20. So 20 minutes. You just need 20 minutes. And to listen to my what I am talking, or to my guidance, I think you will be needing 3 or 4 minutes. So after that, you have activated. So I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Stay tuned.